Whipple work truck. So we did some frame painting. Got the Whipple mounted. American Racing headers. Right now we're doing some rewiring. We put that stock wire harness up there and we just didn't like it. I gotta get some more braided lines. Well, we rewired it so it ain't ugly. Painted the frame. We're gonna be dropping the cab soon. Our parts table is getting low. Stainless Works exhaust. We are waiting for a part from American Racing headers. We received these the other day. They're beautiful. We love them. Can't wait to hear it. We're getting close. They forgot a little piece here, but it's coming. We got a hold of them. They sent it out that day. It was awesome. And then we'll be hooking up the rest of the Stainless Works here. Engine crossbar. Need to get the catch can installed. Dipstick. Relocation wire harness kit. Real nice. We gotta figure out where we're tucking them yet. A couple gauges left. There's my braided line to finish it up. Get some gauges in. Got some body bushings in here. Still got to get those on, but our cooled air intake, radiator, and that is about it for our parts on this build. To finish it up and get her started. Hopefully we'll be starting her in the next week or two. Thanks, everybody. Stay tuned and see how we turn out with the Whipple work truck. Stay tuned and see how we do with the 3.6 Wrangler swap.
Yeah.
We're real excited about this one because we like doing what they say can't be done.
Yeah.
Thanks, everybody. Have a good night.